Show all components for setup. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the holder. Install pedal switch. Install the plasma pen. Attach the required tip to the handle. Install the ozone plasma. Install the EMS and EL handle. Install the face RF handle. Place each installed handles into the holder in order. Once all parts are set, connect the power cord. Switch on the main power button, then press the on/off button on the front panel. Select English on the language selection screen. To proceed to the handle selection screen, select ozone plasma on the screen. Settings, time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Note, replace the ozone plasma patch if it is damaged or dirty. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Press the start, pause button to stop the operation. Select plasma pen on the screen. Plasma tip, select the plasma tip corresponding to the attached one. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the pedal to start the treatment. Release the pedal to stop the treatment. Choose EMS and EL on the screen. Settings, mode, EMS, duration, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Press the start, pause button to stop the operation. Choose face RF on the screen. Settings, time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Press the start, pause button to stop the operation. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.